Hi guys, I'm Gatos. Today I'm playing with Goodman Airsoft Eversley. This site is located west from London. It's offered a possibility to play all through the weekend. You can build a tent, play both days, Saturday and Sunday. As it's my first time here, I decided to stay on for one day. Today's game is a tactical and based on teamwork. You can only bring in no more than 600 BBs to the gameplay area.
First thing I like is the gameplay area is attractive and wide. Secondly, visually the environment is planned well. It has military-based props that give a somewhat realistic feeling of a battlefield. The site benefits from flora, providing a good hideout even in wintertime.
To my mind, the gameplay was amazing. There was only one mission which lasted all day. The scenario was quite realistic and enjoyable.